everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am saying a moral story on believe in yourself. Once upon a time there was a little bird called Mimi. She always wants to fly like other birds. One day she will always try hard for flying, but she will think that what if I fall? One day a wise bird came near Mimi. She told Mimi that the sky is very big. You should believe yourself and move forward. Then only you can fly. Mimi flapped her wings, closed her eyes and moved forward. She finally achieved. She finally flew. She is proud of herself and she is very happy. The moral of the story is believe yourself. Then only you can achieve great achievements. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Thank you.